So welcome to another video in our Microsoft tutorial series. In this video, we are going to see how to add watermarks in Microsoft Word. So there are different steps. The first step to insert watermark, you head over to the various tabs and click on Design. Click on Watermark. Then we add Custom Watermark. So this is where you can add a picture watermark or no watermark. You can add a picture watermark here. It can either be a picture, clear picture, or auto, then rather you can see picture mark or you type test watermark. So we're going to use the test watermark. So here we'll add the test. So you change the font. You can also change the color or leave it at the way it is and click apply and OK. So as you can see, the watermark has been added. So we click it and do some adjustment to it. Then there's the size. You can increase the size and to make it a bit bigger. Click OK. So you can see the watermark is now showing. So that's how you can add watermark to a Microsoft Word document. So thank you once again for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, love.